Hello students, I hope you all are safe at home. Today we are going to start with the GK book, that is New General Knowledge Update. Lesson 26, Save the Planet Earth. Let us start with the introduction. A planet is a celestial body that is in orbit around the sun, has sufficient mass for its self-gravity to overcome rigid body forces so that it assumes a shape and has cleared the neighborhood around its orbit. There are 8 planets in the solar system. In order of increasing distance from the sun, they are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. The Earth is the only planet in the solar system where life exists. However, due to global warming, increasing pollution levels, and many other human activities, the Earth is in great danger. However, as a responsible resident, it is our duty to preserve and save the Earth. So students, name some terms that are related to different kinds of pollution. Number 1, smoke. Number 2, CFC, chlorofluorocarbon. Number 3, inorganic. Number 4, toxic. Number 5, SPM, suspended particulate matter. Number 6, emission. Number 7, non-biodegradable. Number 8, environmental degradation. Before we start with the lesson, let's discuss difficult word meanings. Planet, a heavenly body that moves around the sun. Solar system, the sun and the 8 planets that revolve around it. Global warming, the rising average temperature of Earth's climate system. Pollution, addition of harmful substance in the environment. Preserve means protect. Now students, there are some terms that are related to different kinds of pollution. Let me explain one by one. Number 1, smoke, the gases released by the combustion of a fuel in the atmosphere. Smoke is a kind of air pollution, originally named for the mixture of smoke and fog in the air. CFC, chlorofluorocarbon, released by ACs, refrigerators, etc. It destroyed the Earth's protective ozone layer, which shields the Earth from harmful ultraviolet rays generated from the sun. CFC warmed the lower atmosphere of the Earth, changing global climate. Next is inorganic. Inorganic substances of mineral origin, not containing carbon or its compounds. An inorganic is typically a chemical compound that lacks carbon-hydrogen bonds. That is, a compound is not an organic compound. Some simple compounds that contain carbon are often considered inorganic. Next is toxic. Harmful to organisms. Chemicals can be toxic because they can harm us when they enter or contact the body. Exposure to a toxic substance such as gasoline can affect your health. Since drinking gasoline can cause burns, vomiting, diarrhea, or in very large amounts drowsiness, death, it is toxic. Next is SPM, suspended particulate matter that leads to lung cancer. Suspended particulate matter is the sum of all solid and liquid particles suspended in air, many of which are poisonous. This complex mixture includes both organic and inorganic particles, such as dust, pollen, smoke, and liquid droplets. These particles vary greatly in size, composition, and origin. Next is emission, the gases released by the combustion of a fuel in the atmosphere. Emissions are produced by burning fuel for power or heat. Through chemical reactions and from leaks from the industrial process, most direct emissions come from the consumption of fossil fuels for energy. Next is non-biodegradable. Non-biodegradable, not capable of being broken down by organisms into inorganic compounds. Non-biodegradable are those who cannot be decomposed or dissolved by natural agents. They remain on Earth for thousands of years without any degradation. Next is environmental degradation. Degradation of the environment due to pollution and natural disasters. The primary cause of environmental degradation is human disturbance. Environmental changes are based on factors like urbanization, population, economic growth, increase in energy consumption, and agriculture. The degradation has adverse impacts on humans, plants, animals, and microorganisms. So students, I hope you have understood this chapter, solve the exercise and learn it. Thank you.